Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be doing tonight is that my new door switch to my Whirlpool dryer has arrived, and before installing it on the dryer, I am checking it for continuity. So this is the new door switch. Okay, and I'm using my multi-tester. It is set on the so-called continuity test. So the terminals that should connect when the door switch is struck by the door when we close it. It should be the first line and third line. So I connected already the multimeter on the first line and third line, and this is the actuator. Okay, the old door switch was actually damaged. Even though you push the actuator, it doesn't have a continuity. That's why the dryer shuts down. And to prove that the door switch is actually the culprit, I will show you now. So I will try to push this one. If I push this one, it seems I'm closing the door for the dryer. And as you can see it, okay, I am pushing this one now. And you could hear the beeping sound. So meaning to say, the line that connects for the continuity of the plug that goes to the outlet is doing good. So this new door switch is actually doing good. Okay. The main reason I checked this one before installing it is I want to show you that by flipping this one is actually, it seems we are closing the door of the dryer. Okay. Okay. Line number 1 and 3 are connected, and that's the one that will connect the open line going to the plug. So if the line is closed, of course, when we plug the dryer and we push the start button, the dryer should start. Okay? So as you can see it, I'm using my multi-tester set on the continuity test, and I'm testing line number 1 and 3. That's the one that will close when we try to close the dryer. One more time, I will try to flip this one. So it seems I'm closing the dryer, and as you could hear it, there's a continuity. So the door switch is actually working. So the culprit from the shutdown dryer was actually the door switch. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.